Hey funnel hackers, this is Reiki, and many people ask me to show this tutorial to you. How to make your audience desire to watch your longer form of content. So for example, if you have, let's say, 20 minutes video, 15 minutes, or 10 minutes video, how to make them watch it. And essentially it's how to create a trailer for your longer form video.
Dad, Kennedy!
In any business, the single most expensive and painful thing is getting the new customer. What will keep them for life is an interest in you.
Now, I'm going to show you exactly how it is. I'm going to show you 3 steps and how you can break it down easily yourself, or if you have a team, if you have a video guy, if you're going to hire a video guy, I'm going to show you how you can use this process to give them and show it to you. So let me show you what I have in mind. Okay, so this is the trailer. This is type of movie we're going to make. Okay, and then let's go to the end a little bit.
For your information business. They want you to be exceptional, but they
And then the ending.
interested in what you're going to do next. You have to stand for something, which, by the way, usually will repel certain types of customers, and you must be willing to do that in order to magnetically attract other types of customers. Customers for life.
Okay, so let me break it down to you in easy steps. So first of all, I have this video that we've done last year for Russell Brunson and Dan Kennedy, Magnetic Marketing. So first of all, we have this video, 20 minutes video, and how we go about making this trailer. Okay, so first, because I've done this video, so I kind of know all these things, but anyway, I have to go through this video and kind of pick the most important things that I think could be used in our like a pool of the footages that I'm going to use. So I go through and I actually pick, okay, this part, and then I put it on top. So I just take it from here and then put it on top. So now I can see that this is my stuff. So what type of videos it is. Okay, so let me show you something like this.
In any business, the single most expensive and painful thing.
Or I can
Every
see
great character has an origin story, a legend, a backstory.
once we have this footage, what we can do is we copy it to our pool. So I'm just copying here. So this is where I'm going to take this footage to use in my video. So this is the first step. The first step is basically just pick the parts that we're going to use. Now there is no animation, there's no graphics, nothing's here. Everything is just video editing. It's basically just putting like a Photoshop file, kind of piecing together. There is nothing to create. So anybody can actually do this. I actually use ScreenFlow. I love this program. I can also grab screenshots. I can grab videos. I can grab audio with this program, and it automatically imports in the timeline. So I love this, and this is really simple program to use. Now the second part, what we're gonna do. And this is actually the full project. This is 1 minute 30. So the second step is I want to start laying down these tracks. So what they're gonna be, what's gonna talk about, and what it's gonna show. And the way I do that is by, first of all, picking the music. So here you can see my audio track, and I actually have 3 tracks here. So one is this.
In any business, the single most expensive.
The second track is this. Right. And then the ending, or we actually the
Information business.
And then the fourth one, because it's actually the second one, the same that I've used. I just took the ending, which is like this.
Next.
So if I mute that, the third track only ends like this.
What you're going to do next.
This is how it ended. So I'm putting the audio track, the music track first, because that's what's going to give me a beat. Now if I let's say if I'm missing some footage, I can actually make it shorter. So I can just cut those parts. So instead of dun 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 dun, I can do dun dun. That's it, right? So I can shorten it that way. But I want to make sure that I'm following the theme of the music, and then everything else is really just the sound effects. So the first step is really just sound effects, because with the music now we're taking the music and we're adding these elements. So for example, the sound effects really make a difference. So this is an example of how I just adding few elements. This is how it's going to sound different. So look.
Interesting person. It is a relationship business. Plot, characters,
Okay. Okay, so this is just music and just him saying. Now just adding few sound effects, which I always have like a library of kicks, whooshes, cinematic. I love cinematic kicks because, or hits, cinematic hits, because they usually like with whooshes, with kicks and everything kind of together with cinematic kind of feel. And then what I'm looking for is just adding, I'm sometimes borrowing sound, sometimes I'm borrowing video. So for the sound, sorry, what I'm going to do is, let's say I have this track like this.
in order to magnetically attract other types of customers.
Okay, now this is where I kind of heard, okay, there's something is missing, and I can actually borrow from somewhere else. So the way I do it is to here.
Other types of customers. Customers for life.
And that's the theme. That's actually the name of the video. It's create customers for life. Okay, and then with the music, what I'm really doing is I am looking to, in the beats, like boom, boom, or boom, boom, boom. I'm always looking to make sure that the video kind of follows that. So here we have this track, this part. So you can see boom, bum, 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 right? So in this case, I'm gonna ask like the marketers conceal all of that. That's what I'm gonna have, like bum, so longer, and then the other ones is just bum, 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 bum. There's a kick, there's a kick, there's a kick, and that's how I slice it. And then bum, 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 bum. So I'm always looking for, okay, so if it makes sense, like this. So watch this, this and this and this. This and this and this, and that's how I kind of listen to the music. I imagine the video and or the sound, and this kind of the music actually tells me what videos I do. Okay, so here's the full trailer. Now just remember, this is audio tracks, this one, and this one. These are audio tracks. Then here's sound effects. This is the part where he's talking, and then these are overlays of some borrowed videos from other places, or there's few clips from other videos I got, but that's the part, right? So we have these elements. We have the voice just talking, music, sound effects, and visuals on top. Okay, so this is how it works, the full trailer.
Dad Kennedy!
In any business, the single most expensive and painful thing is getting the new customer. What will keep them for life is an interest in you as an interesting person. It is a relationship business. Plot, characters, adventures, and ideas. Flaws and evolution. Great character is an origin story, backstory, insider's language. There's an enemy or enemies. There's your daughter. There has to be that kind of a foundation for your information business. They want you to be exceptional, but they don't want you to be perfect. You know things about this character as if he was a real person. Extremely important. If they aren't interested in what you're going to do next, you have to stand for something, which, by the way, usually will repel certain types of customers, and you must be willing to do that in order to magnetically attract other types of customers. Customers for life.
Oh, so it actually was a little bit of the old stuff here, which was this. Okay, so that's it, pretty much. That's the trailer, so I hope you enjoyed it. And this is like, if you have any content, anything like that, that's how you can like summarize that content. It's basically like you would, like Russell teaches, when you have a VSL on the page or something on the page, you actually have like written things, what's going to be in the VSL. So this is kind of the idea, to sell the next step, to sell, to watch that video. And that's what people would be interested, because they will see kind of everything that they will get. And that's what they're going to want to watch the video. And because you're selling and showing what they already going to see, now they are deciding based on this. Hope it helps.